In this video, we'll explore the usage and billing section, where you can track unit consumption and manage quotas across your organization. Each test you run through a cloud or enterprise agent consumes units from your plan's allocation. You can find usage and billing as a submenu under Account Settings within the Manage tab. Note that this section is accessible only to organization administrators or users with permissions, such as View Billing, View Organization Usage, and View Security and Authentication settings. If you don't see usage and billing in your account settings menu, that means you don't have the necessary permissions. To gain access, contact your organization's administrator. The usage and billing section contains two tabs, Usage and Quotas. Let's start with the Usage tab. In the Plan Usage section, you'll see a solid blue bar that represents your current usage, a dashed blue bar indicating your projected additional usage until the end of your current billing cycle, and your total purchased capacity. Right next to that, under Endpoint Agent Licenses, you'll find the number of licenses currently active, alongside the total number of licenses included in your plan. While tests run from cloud and enterprise agents operate on a usage model, endpoint agents are license-based. Additionally, you can toggle between viewing unit consumption details for cloud agent units or enterprise agent units. The breakdown table lets you view usage by account group, test type, or individual test. A unit calculator is also available to help you estimate the units needed for a specific account group. To use the calculator, click Calculate the units you need for this account group, or visit app.thousandeyes.com/calculator. Within the calculator, click the Summary button to see an overview of usage across all account groups in your organization. Alternatively, click the Configure button to estimate the projected usage for each test within your selected account group. If you belong to multiple account groups, you can switch between them using the drop-down menu. Each test run from cloud or enterprise agents consumes a specific number of units based on its type and configuration, and these units are deducted from your organization's monthly purchased units. Factors affecting the unit cost include the test type, testing interval, and the number and type of ThousandEyes agents involved. To see the projected unit cost of a new test you plan to configure, click the Add Row button and enter the required details, such as test type, interval, agents, and number of tests. This will display the estimated monthly unit consumption for that test. You can also generate a snapshot of the current calculation to share with your team. Simply click the Share button, provide a subject, and then click Generate. Note that units do not roll over to the next month. For example, if your organization has a subscription for 12 million units per year, equivalent to 1 million units per month, and uses 800,000 units by the end of the month, the remaining 200,000 units will not carry over. On the first day of the next month, your organization's unit balance will reset to 1 million units. That covers the Usage tab. Now let's take a look at the Quotas tab. The Quotas feature lets you assign and manage usage quotas to different account groups within your organization. Note that quotas are only for units, not for endpoint agent licenses. To access this feature, you need the Can Assign and Edit Quota permission. Looking at the Plan section, you'll see the total number of units allocated to your organization each month. The Organization Current Usage Rate section displays the percentage of units currently consumed. You can also set an organization quota, which is the total number of units assigned across your organization. Unallocated usage shows the percentage of units not currently assigned to any test. Next, you'll see the current usage rate for each account group. Under the Quota column, you can view each group's assigned quota alongside their current usage rate. Use the Quota switch to enable or disable a fixed quota for an account group. Then, adjust the quota value with the Usage Selector slider. When you're done configuring, click Save Changes to apply your updates. And that's how you use usage and billing to monitor consumption, calculate costs, and manage quotas across your organization. Thanks for watching.